Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to make this beautiful cute little baby booty or baby shoe for 0 to 3 months. In the last video we have made this baby shoe sole, and now we will be making this shoe on that. It's like that. This portion is with the beige color, and this is the flare that I have made over it with off-white color. So this baby shoe we are going to make in today's video. So the link for making this small baby shoe sole for 0 to 3 months, the link I am going to post in the description box. Please check from there. For this we used 2 strands of yarn, the acrylic yarn we have used, and for making the shoe now we are going to use the single strand, the same color I am using, and for that this flare I am going to use this off-white color, this one. Okay, so you can make in any color of your choice. The crochet hook that I am going to use is 3.0 mm crochet hook, okay, a tapestry needle to hide the ends or to sew 2 parts, and a pair of scissors to cut the ends. So let's quickly begin. So first of all you have to make the shoe sole. The link in the description box is already posted, and we are going to make this. See, this is the front side. You can see this line over this. This is the front side and this is the back side, and we are going to make this. This will be outside, on the outside portion. This right side will be on the outside and this wrong side will be inside of the shoe. Okay, this is the right side which is visible from the outside of the shoe, and the wrong side will be inside. Okay, so we will be working on the right side itself, but this portion will come out and this portion will be hidden inside the shoe. So take this right side portion and the yarn, I'm going to attach it where I had made a slip stitch. This yarn I'm going to attach over here, and for making this, starting this shoe, we have to give this edge. This edge is given by working in the back loops only. See, you can see this chain. This is your front loop and this is your back loop, that side. Okay, so we are going to work in the back loop only. I have attached my yarn over here in the back loop of the work. Here chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so this is your first single crochet. We are going to work 1 single crochet in the back loop only of your shoe sole. For making this shoe sole, we when we have made it, the total number of stitches came out to 58. So our stitch count will remain 58 till we increase the height. Okay, so I am going to make single crochet, 1 single crochet only in the back loops. Okay, only in the back loops. See, this loop only in the back loop. So 1 single crochet in the back loop only. No increase, no decrease, just 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, but only in the back loop of the stitch, not in the whole loop. See, you can see this edge coming out like this. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of the row. Now I have made this 1 single crochet in each of the stitch with back loop only, and made a slip stitch on the starting of chain 1, and now this was row number 1. Now row number 2, chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Now we are going to work in both the loops. Okay, not in the back loop or front loop, just both the loops. So now again we are going to work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. This is row number 2. For next 4 rows, that is row number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next 4 rows we are going to work for 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, and our stitch count will remain 58. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of row number 5th. Okay, so first row was only in the back loops, second, third, fourth and fifth. Next 4 rows we are going to work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. So I'll meet you at the end of row number 5. Now I have made 5 rows with 1 single crochet in each of the 58 stitches. So I have given a height to our shoe. Okay, so this is basically a shoe, a boat kind of shoe. Now what we are going to do is, at this point of time, that is row number 6, we are going to give it a shape of the shoe like this. Okay, so these stitches I am going to make now. So let me tell you, when we attached over here, when we were working, the seam comes to this side. So basically this comes to the center of your shoe. Okay, so that is why I am considering it as the center of the shoe and then counting from here, because we have 58 stitches in total, right? So from here I am going to take 20 stitches, from here I am going to take 20 stitches, 40 stitches I have taken from here, and the remaining 18 stitches I am going to make 2 double crochet together. So let me show you how. Row number 6, chain 1 single crochet in each of the 15 stitches. So 1 single crochet in the first, the same stitch, chain 1, same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in 15 stitches I have made 1 single crochet. Okay, and next 5 stitches I am going to make 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull the loop. You have 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is your half double crochet. So like this I am going to make total 5 half double crochet. 1 I have made, second, third in the next, fourth in the next and fifth in the next. Okay, so total 20 stitches I have covered. Now 20 from this side will be there and remaining will be 18. So these 18 stitches I am going to cover by making 2 double crochet together. So how to make 2 double crochet together? Yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull the loop. You have 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Stop over here. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull the loop. Now you have 4 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is your 2 double crochet together. So one time we have done like this, we have to complete it 9 times. So one time we have done, second time making the double crochet, stop it. Again making the double crochet in the next stitch, stop it, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this makes 1 stitch. So 2 double crochet together are done like this. So 2 times I have done, third time, three, 2 double crochet together done, 4 2 double crochet together done, 5 2 double crochet together done, 6 2 double crochet together done, 7 2 double crochet together done, 8 2 double crochet together done, and 9 2 double crochet together. So in total we have done 2 double crochet together 9 times, that is in 18 stitches. So it will start to bend inwards. Now 1 half double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1 half double crochet in each of the 5 stitches, and remaining 15 stitches you have 1 single crochet in each of the 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, slip stitch in the first stitch. This is your row number 6. Okay, row number 7, chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch. In total we will be making 1 single crochet in 10 stitches. So 1 I have done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, in row number 6 we had done 15 single crochet, and in row number 7 we will be doing 10 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in each of the next stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1 half double crochet in each of the 5 stitches, and in between we will be making again 9 double crochet together. That is, in 18 stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet together. 9 we have to make. So 1 is done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, but when you count it here, total we can say total 16 stitches are left. So we have to make 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total stitch count after this row number 7 will be 40. Okay, so this is taking a bit shape of a belly or a ballerina, but we have to make it a boot. So row number 8, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1 in the same, 2nd in the next, 3rd in the next, 4th in the next and 5th in the next. 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1 half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now in between we are going to make 2 double crochet together for 10 times, because in between we may be having 20 stitches, 10 stitches from here, 5 single crochet, 5 half double crochet, this side also 5 single crochet, 5 half double crochet, and total was 40. So 20 we have covered here, 20 are remaining over here. So 20 stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet together, that is for 10 times making 2 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After that 5 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch on the first stitch. Okay, that's it. This was row number 8. Now from row number 9 to row number 14, next 6 rows we are going to work 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches, and the row will start with chain 2. Row number 9 starts with chain 2 and half double crochet in the same stitch. 1 half double crochet in each of the stitch. So total stitch count after row number 8 is 30. Total 30 stitches will remain till the height. So we are going to make 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches for next 6 rows. Up to row number 14 we are going to make 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches, and total stitch count will remain to 30. I'll meet you at the end of row number 14. Now I have made 6 rows with 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches. I have put some cotton or fiber filling to give it a shape. So this baby booty or baby shoe looks like this. So in this part I am going to make this portion only. This is a complete boot in itself, but if you want to give it a flare, I am going to make another video for making this flare to cover it, and please stay tuned for the next part of this video if you want to make this portion as well. So hope you like my video on making these beautiful booties, beautiful shoes, baby shoes. So please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and write in the comment section how you like my videos. If you have any suggestions, your suggestions are always welcome, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time you'll upload a new I'll upload a new video. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you once again.